Welcome. If you're tired of getting email notifications from Pinterest about searches you might like, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to turn off those notifications so you can keep your inbox clutter-free and focus on what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your settings. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top and tap on it. This will open up your account options and settings. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to access all your Pinterest notification preferences. Here, you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can manage. What we're looking for is under Boards and Searches. Find and tap on searches you might like. This section controls the notifications you receive about search suggestions and related topics Pinterest thinks you'll enjoy. Inside this menu, you'll see several ways Pinterest can notify you, including push notifications, emails, and possibly SMS. To stop receiving email notifications specifically, look for the toggle switch next to email. Simply tap the toggle to turn off email notifications for searches you might like. Once the switch is off, Pinterest will no longer send you emails about search suggestions, keeping your inbox a little lighter. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications for searches you might like on Pinterest. If you ever want to adjust your notification settings in the future, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your social media experience.